Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is keywords and identifiers. These are the series of topics that I am going to cover in Python Basics. Let's begin with keywords and identifiers. Keywords are the reserved words that convey a specific meaning and purpose recognized by a Python interpreter. Just like how each English word has a specific meaning, similarly, keywords has a specific meaning in Python. These are the list of keywords in Python. Number of keywords may vary based on the versions. You can observe that all the keywords are in small letters except for true, false and none. Python keyword is case sensitive, which means if you use uppercase letters instead of lowercase, Python interpreter will not recognize the word. For example, these keywords become invalid if we change uppercase letters to lowercase and vice versa. To know about keywords, click on the Python interpreter, type help, open close bracket. It enters into help mode. You can type keywords here. You can see here a list of Python keywords. To know about each keyword, you can type the keyword here. For example, I am typing break. So it shows the information about break. I am typing with. It shows more information about with. Identifiers are the names given to variables, functions, class, list, dictionary, etc. Let's see the rules to define an identifier. Identifiers can be a combination of lowercase letters, uppercase letters, digits, and underscore. Python language is case sensitive, so identifiers keywords are case sensitive. For example, identifier names with uppercase letters are not same as names with lowercase letters. Identifiers can start with letters and underscore, but it cannot start with a digit. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. It is a good practice to use simple and relevant names as identifiers. These are the examples of valid and invalid identifiers. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more detail, view the description below. See you in next video.